Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy, Hunter Petska. But today's video is just gonna be me trying to catch some bass. It's gonna be actually day 2 and day 3 of the camping trip. So just stay tuned. I do catch some fish in this video, so leave a like and comment and subscribe. Peace. Alright, so let's get right to it. We're on this first dock. Our boat's right there. Well, one of our boats, but yeah, let's get to fishing. Start off with this, maybe work to a jig, and maybe like spinnerbait, I don't know. All depends on what's biting, so let's get that a cast. And just reel her in. I'm so excited that I got this new rod right here. I'll show you guys in a second, but I'm so excited that I got it because it is a fantastic rod. If you're looking to buy a rod that isn't really sold or made anymore, but they still sell them, is the Lunkers TV rod, partnered with Favorite, I think. So it was a pretty good purchase of mine. I don't know why people like just bash the rod, because I've seen reviews on it and it's like not good reviews. So far I'm liking it. All right, so we're at a different dock here. Pretty much it's 2 docks over, so maybe I can have some better luck here. Who knows? I actually caught a nice northern on this dock a while ago, or last year actually. Probably like 22 inches, I think. I'm pretty sure it was like 22. It was a nice one, so. Oh, that was a fish. A little bluegill or something, or a big rock bass or something following it. Must have been what hit it. Those are bass. I'm gonna catch those. And here's my new rod. Come on, hit it. Hit it, you piece of shit. All right, my camera was off, but I just caught this. About to weigh it. Oh, it's in kilograms. Whatever. .59 kg. What is that?
Doesn't it go in pounds?
It does, but I can't switch it right now.
Oh.
I'm trying to figure it out. 0.59.
Well, probably weigh a pound.
Yeah.
1.3 pounds.
All right, so that was a 1 pounder. It was.
Looks bigger than that.
Yeah, it did look bigger than that. Oh, there we go.
Top the head.
Yeah. This is ugly.
I control the motor.
All right, so we're back home and we are gonna be fishing the Chippewa River in Eau Claire and we're gonna try to go for some walleyes. So, okay.
You leave the open end open.
Yep.
Pull it down.
And pull it through the bait.
Down around the bait.
Yep, and then you pull tight.
Just gotta make it wet.
Gotta spit on a little bit.
Yeah, you do. And you pull the tag end through and you're done.
Yep, that's what I do. All right, that's gonna wrap up the video for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time.